Okay, so today we're doing pesto chicken pizza over the fire using a Dutch oven for one of them, and the other one we're going to use a cast iron frying pan and some tin foil. So we'll see at the end which one does better by melting the cheese and getting it tasty. Hopefully the pans are somewhat equally hot. This is cooking by a campfire. You don't get to choose. You just try to have to... I have no idea where I'm going with this. Okay, so let's start by oiling both of the pans a little bit. This campfire pit is on an angle, so I'm just going to put it at the top and let it do its thing. Can you see that? So we're going to do this kind of quickly so that it doesn't burn, because I have to do two. So I'm going to do one first and then we'll start the other one. So we're not using pizza crust, or pitas, which are both, you know, possibilities. We're using garlic flavored naan. Of course, right when I need to be here is when it gets smoky. Pre-made pesto sauce. Who's gonna make pesto sauce while they're camping? Somebody out there is making it. If it's you, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, go to your grocery store and buy a can of pre-made pesto sauce. Okay, right now, I think even that would be delicious. In no particular order, we're just some red peppers. Cremini mushrooms had a little bit more flavor than just your regular white mushrooms. No, I did not go out into the forest and pick up wild mushrooms today. We are at a provincial park, and it is illegal to collect basically anything. Wild edibles. It's illegal to collect wild edibles or flowers or wood or anything like that. Then, rotisserie chicken. Again, we did not do this out in the woods. And Parmesan cheese. Ooh, that was a big chunk. Okay. I think I got everything. I'm going to cover it with the Dutch oven to melt the cheese. Now I'm just going to check the bottom. We don't want it to burn. Move it around a little bit. Hopefully it will not burn before it melts. I'm going to do a little cheese first this time. Get it started, you know. Go back and check this guy again, make sure he's not getting doesn't matter if you make a mess out here. So this one we're going to cover. We don't have two Dutch ovens. So if you don't have a Dutch oven, you can do this. Cover it up. Huh. 5-second rule. 5-second rule. The upward draft from the fire is oh, that one's getting really crunchy. Crunchy, crunchy. The dilemma is, do you cook it until all the cheese is melted, but then the bottom is really, really crunchy, possibly burnt, or do you take it off when the bottom is done, even if the top isn't melted as much as you'd like it to be? I don't have an opinion between the cast iron and this. I thought this would be better. Maybe we should have heated the top. I didn't have enough space on this little grill. Maybe if we'd heated the top of the Dutch oven, it would have done it better, but that's a lesson for another day. Woo! I don't know why I did that. Dutch oven pizza. Come and get your slice, but we're not sharing. Hats off to that. That's very good. Nice and crunchy in the bottom. Some of the cheese is actually melted, but it's warm. Wasn't too difficult. Put it with a nice salad, beer, tea for Chitra. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up below. In the comments, let us know what other kinds of pizzas you've made at the campfire, or some other suggestions of food or recipes you'd like to see us make on our camping trips or on our day trips. If you haven't subscribed, please do. You'll get notifications if you hit the little bell below of every new video we get. New videos every Thursday, sometimes more. If you want to see more, you have to subscribe and let us know in the comments that you're enjoying our channel. And until next time, see you outside.